Hi, this is Blake with LawnEQ.com, and just got a service call to pick up a lawnmower, and sounds like the battery's dead. He's wanting to use it this spring for some yard cleanup. I'm bringing along the mPower Jump It. It's a little handy tool all my service guys and techs carry with them. Saves a back. Super powerful. Let's go see how this thing works. Alright. Got here to the customer's house. He's got the door open for us. Go in here and see what this thing does. It's got a Toro time cutter. It's got a Kawasaki. Looks like a 24 horse or close to it. Let's try it now. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah, it's dead. Well, we're going to grab our Jump It and see if this thing works. First thing you do is check and make sure it's, yep, green's ready to go. That's like my 6th jump today on this, and haven't charged it. You want to make sure you hook up positive to positive and negative to negative. Just don't go red and black. Make sure you hook them up right, or you can burn these up. Make sure you get a good connection. Yeah. Everybody's going to do. Let's check this. Nope, still green. Good to go to the next job. Come see us at LawnEQ.com.